Hi, Pebbles. Are you gonna help me? Yes. Well, today, Pebble is supposedly gonna help us install the headliner shelves for our van. And the kit came with the shelves, the curtain rod, but the box just came with the shelves and all this stuff, but the carpet didn't come with it. So I had to call the company and they just overnighted the next day so that we could get our project done, which is very good service for them. And the instruction looks pretty simple. It says to install the curtain rod first and the shelf carpet liner first before we install the shelves into the van. So since we are not going to use the curtain, we don't plan to use it, so we don't have to install the curtain rod. We're just going to have to attach this liner onto the shelf right here. And I think it's just a tape that we peel it off. Oh yeah, like this. They make these holes to align with the holes in the shelves. So we're gonna start on this side first by peeling off the tape, and then we'll have to do this, and then we're gonna just have to go toward this edge. You're gonna help me, right, honey?
Sure thing.
Okay. So we're gonna peel this edge first, and we're gonna line this edge first here. Honey, help. Okay. Oh. Pebbles, I need your help. She's not helping at all. Since we have this roller, might as well put it to use. Just want to make sure it's glued on here tightly.
Wait, isn't this the same roller you made? You used to make chicken pot pie last night?
Not this one. This one for the solar panel, remember? This is a little long on this edge, so we're probably gonna cut it with the X-Acto knife. I decided to use a scissor instead of getting the X-Acto knife. Too lazy. And I have to make sure that the edge is under the metal edge here so it doesn't show through like this.
A little OCD, aren't we?
We are done with this part. Let's go install it in the RV now.
Okay.
First, we have to take this part out. I think it just pull out.
Pull up.
Up. Up. Why? Why is it so hard?
Need help?
Yes, please. Oh, what? Why is so hard for me? Okay, and supposed to pop this out too?
Yes.
With this? Oh. Somewhere down there. Okay, to remove the screw, we have to use T20 torque. Okay, to remove the screw, we need the T30. So let's switch it. Oh my God.
Need help? Power tools?
Power tool? Okay, honey, you're my power tool.
There. So we take this screw out all the way. There.
So we would do the same thing for this side. Let's see if I could take it out. Oh, okay. That was easy. And actually this one, I need the screwdriver. Don't want to break my nail. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can.
Go on,
I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. Okay, so do you bring the clips out, honey?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, the next step is to put these clips in here like this. So the short one is in the front and the long one's in the back. So let's pull this out a little bit and
You help me?
slide it. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, honey. Okay, so we can just put this screw back. Okay, I think for this one, we just have to pull the panel out a little bit. This is pretty easy. And just have to line up the holes. Okay, there it is. I can see it. And we just have to screw this back. Let's pop this back in. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Just slide this in. Slide this in. Help. Okay. Let's tighten this. I forgot to pop this one back on the other side, so don't forget to pop this back in. There. So for this, since this hole is long like this, we could adjust it up and down. So make sure you don't need to tighten it too much so that we could level it out before we tighten the hole. Okay, we have to slide the front part of the shelf in first because we have the bathroom right here. If we slide it from the back in first, it doesn't go in. So it goes in this way and like this, up to the clip. We actually like the look of it from underneath.
Versus on top.
Right, versus on top like that. We want
to do it
underneath
like this.
Yes, it has a cleaner look.
Of course, it's the harder way.
Yes, but it's cleaner look. You know, it's very important for aesthetically. All right, I think, honey, I have to hold and you have to put the screws in.
Okay.
Okay.
We have 8 screws, 8 nut, and 8 washer. So the washer goes in first, and then you would put it in here, and then on the top, and you can put the nut in and then tighten it.
To put the screw in on this side is a lot harder because we have the bathroom in the way. So my husband couldn't have access to in here, so he has to use the ladder and kind of climb all the way up here. And I just try to put the screw in from here. And honey, you try to.
And then I basically reach my hand through there. And those are the screw. That's the screw. I put the nut on there, and then we're gonna tighten it.
Okay, all these screws are in. So, in order to tighten them, honey, you're gonna have to hold on to the
nut up there.
The nut up there. Here you go. And I'm gonna use this T15 to tighten the screw from down. the first one, okay? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. I'm tying it.
How is it, honey? This is definitely a two-person job.
Yes. We're finally done. It looks easy. It is easy, but the screwing in part is harder on this side, right? So we had a hard time putting these 4 screws in, but
That one
It
was the
is-
hardest, huh?
yeah, this one. Actually, for me, because I'm 5 feet, so look,
No problem,
no
huh?
problem, going in and out. But of course,
Someone taller?
taller, you would probably have to duck a little bit. But I guess you get used to it.
And the space inside here? Is not bad. Maybe we should try to put some stuff in here and see
Yes, see what
what it's
we
like.
could put up there. Actually, before we wanted the shelves, but I just don't like to have this open space, and I was thinking of a way to make a panel with like a door that open down like this, and then we put the stuff in and then we close it up. I still haven't been able to come up with anything, but my husband wanted a shelf, so I said, okay, we just put the shelf in first and then we'll figure out how to cover this opening just to make it look nice. Well, now we have all this space to put all this stuff in there. Doesn't look too bad, right? If we put this back right here, it's gonna blend in.
Not bad at all.
But you know, I'm too short. I need the stool.
Let's unload, see what's in there, honey.
I know. Okay, so let's see what we have. This is the insulated shades for the windshields and the front windows. And then we have these 2 shades for the back windows. And this bag is the table cover for the picnic table at the campground. And then now I could put our bed tray table in here, because before we have in the back, and sometimes we're just too lazy to go to the back and get the table. Now I have it here, and we put our 2 camping chairs in here. See, so this is the second one, and then this is, oh my God, it's heavy. This is the toolbox that we used to have in the garage. And then, this is the collapsible walking sticks, hiking poles.
Yes.
Walking sticks, hiking poles. And then, oh my God, what is this?
We have a ladder.
We have a collapsible
You
ladder.
don't need to put it down, it's heavy, honey.
I know, but now we could bring this for emergency.
Yes.
Okay, well, yes, now we can store all that.
Wow.
We have to play Tetris though to make it fit.